It is important for a service-based business to save money for a variety of reasons. In this video, we are going to discuss why it is important for you as a service-based business owner to save money in your business. And if you stay till the end, you will know exactly all the different ways that ChatGPT can help you do that. Before we get into it, please click the subscribe button to take advantage of all the great content that we share here to help you make money. Some of the key benefits of saving money for a service-based business include increased profitability. By saving money, a service-based business can increase its profitability by reducing its operating costs. This can help the business to be more competitive and sustainable in the long run. The second thing is increased flexibility. By saving money, a service-based business can have more financial flexibility and be better able to adapt to changes in the market or its industry. For example, a business with a strong financial foundation may be better able to invest in new technologies or pivot to a new business model if needed. The third thing is increased resilience. By saving money, a service-based business can build up a financial buffer that can help it to weather economic downturns or unexpected expenses. This can help the business to be more resilient in the face of challenges. Overall, saving money is important for a service-based business because it can help the business to be more profitable, flexible, and resilient, which can in turn help it to achieve its long-term goals and succeed in its industry. Now, how can ChatGPT help you save money in your service-based business? There are a few ways that ChatGPT could potentially help your service-based business save money depending on the specific needs and goals of your business. Some potential ways that ChatGPT could help a service-based business save money include automation. ChatGPT could be used to automate certain tasks, which can save time and labor for the business. This could help the business to reduce labor costs and increase efficiency. The step-by-step process for using ChatGPT as an automation tool in your service-based business will depend on the specific needs and goals of the business, as well as the specific tasks that your business is looking to automate. Here is a general outline of the process that a service-based business might follow to use ChatGPT as an automation tool. Step 1. Identify the tasks that the business is looking to automate. The first step in using ChatGPT as an automation tool is to identify the specific tasks that you are looking to automate in your business. This could include tasks such as generating content, answering customer inquiries, or providing personalized recommendations to customers. Step 2 in setting up ChatGPT as an automation is to determine the appropriate input for ChatGPT. In order for ChatGPT to perform a task, it will need appropriate input. For example, if the business is looking to use ChatGPT to generate content, the business will need to provide ChatGPT with information about the topic, tone, and style of the content they are looking to generate. Step 3. Train ChatGPT on the specific tasks. Once you have identified the tasks you are looking to automate and determined the appropriate input for ChatGPT, you can begin training ChatGPT on those tasks. This can involve providing ChatGPT with example input and output and adjusting the model's parameters as needed to achieve the desired results. Step 4. Integrate ChatGPT into your business's workflow. Once ChatGPT has been trained on the specific tasks that your business is looking to automate, the next step is to integrate ChatGPT into the business's workflow. This could involve setting up ChatGPT to automatically generate content or respond to customer inquiries on a regular basis. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. As ChatGPT is being used to automate tasks for your business, it will be important to monitor its performance and make it and make any necessary adjustment to optimize its performance. This could involve adjusting the input provided to ChatGPT or adjusting the model's parameters as needed. Overall, the process of using ChatGPT as an automation tool for your service-based business will involve identifying the tasks that you are looking to automate in your business, determining the appropriate input for ChatGPT, training ChatGPT on those tasks, integrating ChatGPT into the business's workflow, and monitoring and optimizing its performance. The next way that ChatGPT can help you save money in your service-based business is personalization. ChatGPT could be used to provide personalized content, which could help increase customer engagement and satisfaction. This could potentially lead to increased sales and revenues, which could help your business offset any costs associated with using ChatGPT. The step-by-step process for using ChatGPT as a personalization tool for your service-based business will depend on the specific needs and goals of your business, as well as the specific types of personalization that your business is looking to provide to your customers. Here is a general outline of the process that your service-based business might follow to use ChatGPT as a personalization tool. Step 1. Determine the types of personalization that the business is looking to provide. The first step in using ChatGPT as a personalization tool is to determine the specific types of personalization that your business is looking to provide to your customers. This could include personalization recommendations, content, or support based on a customer's interests or history. Step 2. Gather data on customers. In order to provide personalized recommendations or content to customers, your business will need to gather data on those customers. This could involve collecting information such as customer preferences, purchasing history, or demographics. Step 3. Train ChatGPT on the data. Once your business has gathered data on your customers, you can begin training ChatGPT on that data. This can involve providing ChatGPT with example input and output and adjusting the model's parameters as needed to achieve the desired results. Step 4. Integrate ChatGPT into your business's workflow. Once ChatGPT has been trained on the data, the next step is to integrate ChatGPT into the business's workflow. This could involve setting up ChatGPT to automatically provide personalized recommendations or content to customers on a regular basis. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. As ChatGPT is being used to provide personalization to customers, it will be important to monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments to optimize its performance. This could involve adjusting the input provided to ChatGPT and adjusting the model's parameters as needed. Overall, the process of using ChatGPT as a personalization tool for your service-based business will involve determining the types of personalization that your business is looking to provide, gathering data on your customers, training ChatGPT on that data, integrating ChatGPT into the business's workflow, and monitoring and optimizing its performance. The other way that ChatGPT can help you save money in your service-based business is customer service. ChatGPT could be used to assist with answering customer inquiries and providing support, potentially improving response times and overall customer experience. This could help the business reduce the need for additional customer service staff, which could lead to cost savings. What's the step-by-step process to use ChatGPT as a customer service tool for your service-based business? The step-by-step process for using ChatGPT as a customer service tool for your service-based business will depend, once again, on the specific needs and goals of your business, as well as the specific types of customer support that you are looking to provide in your business. Here is a general outline of the process that your service-based business might follow to use ChatGPT as a customer service tool. Step 1. Determine the types of customer support that your business is looking to provide. The first step in using ChatGPT as a customer service tool is to determine the specific types of customer support that the business is looking to provide. This could include responding to frequently asked questions, making personalized recommendations, or assisting with tasks like scheduling appointments or purchasing items. Step 2. Gather data on customer inquiries. In order to provide effective customer support, the business will need to gather data on the types of inquiries that customers typically make. This could involve reviewing customer support logs or analyzing customer feedback. Step 3. Train ChatGPT on the data. Once your business has gathered data on customer inquiries, you can begin training ChatGPT on that data. This can involve providing ChatGPT with example input and output and adjusting the model's parameters as needed to achieve the desired results. Step 4. Integrate ChatGPT into your business's workflow. Once ChatGPT has been trained on the data, the next step is to integrate ChatGPT into your business's workflow. This could involve setting up ChatGPT to automatically answer customers' inquiries or assist with tasks on a regular basis. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. As ChatGPT is being used to provide customer support, it will be important to monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments to optimize its performance. This could involve adjusting the input provided to ChatGPT or adjusting the model's parameters as needed. Those are different ways that you can use ChatGPT to save money as a service-based business owner. And I hope this video was helpful. And if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Take care.